Okay, I am so excited. YouTube, my hair is crazy. Look at this right here. It is like growing. I was about to go outside when I got a shipping notification that my package is here. So Parker and I just went downstairs. I'm gonna open it and show you guys what it is. And this was a light bulb moment. If you watched my last video about my Chanel vanity case, I remember now. This was the reason why I ended up upon, it's black tissue paper, upon this bag. Because I was actually on the hunt for this. You got lollipop in my hair. Okay, so I ordered this from The Real Real. Here you go. I hope it is as beautiful as I see it. Okay, be careful, be careful. It doesn't come with a dust bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So here it is. First impression video. Y'all know how I feel about, sorry, I'm just inspecting it. You know how I feel about used handbag. Okay, so it's exactly what the pictures show it to be. There's a little bit of scuffing in the front of the bag right there. You see it. Oh, you like it, Parker? Mommy loves it. It's like a squishy little bag. It doesn't come with the dust bag or authenticity card. Authenticity. Oh, it does come with the authenticity card. Right here. It didn't say so on the website. And then it comes with the tag and everything. So it's just missing a dust bag in the box. Okay, that makes me so happy. Okay, so story time. I watch HRH Collections videos, and when she revealed this handbag, I was in love at first sight. I was literally like stalking and like trying to figure out where it was. Hers is actually the one that I really, really want because it's like this green, army green, like shimmery color. And I remember now, after hunting for that, you know, bag, this is a scratch. I gotta clean it. After hunting for this bag, I would like occasionally look at pre-owned sites, just hoping it would come in.
A house, a building is on my home.
What?
A house is on my home.
The house is coming to your home?
No. A house doing this my house.
I have no idea what he's saying. Okay, so there was no style number, and I think she said it was from past season, but I could not stop thinking about this bag. And so I stalked every pre-owned website. I think I even caught a Chanel store like taking a picture of the bag, but they didn't have it. So occasionally, you know, I would go here and there, but this bag has never, you know, I have never thought about this bag. That doesn't sound right. I have never not thought of this bag. I even emailed her saying if she would let it go. Anyway, so I remember, since I didn't know the name of this bag, I looked online and I typed in like vanity or mirror bag, and then that's how that vanity case bag popped up. And then I fell in love with that one, the black one in my last video. And it wasn't until, I don't know, I think I was like, no more bags. Like I don't need anything. I don't even go anywhere. And I think I got an email from like The Real Real or something. I was about to delete it, and I was like, oh, let me just check out what they have and see if this bag is there. So I went searching through all the Chanel bags, and lo and behold, I saw this one at a pretty good price. It's I got it for $2,900. Initially I was like, oh no, it's black. No, I don't need it. It has to be the perfect bag. But after 3 years of searching, I couldn't even find this bag. So I knew I couldn't stop thinking about it. I gave it, I think, 2 days, and I was like, okay, I have to get it. If I need to sell like a bag that I don't use for this to make me feel better, I'll do so. So I think I'm gonna do that to make me feel less guilty about spending $2,900 on a bag that, I mean, I don't go anywhere. So I think I'm gonna let go of my black Chanel wallet on a chain because mine is silver hardware, and this, I would much rather wear this one over. I'd be more excited to wear this one. So I'm gonna clean it up. It is so cute, and I think because it has like, it's used already, I'm not gonna be too careful with it. So I think this is like half an inch longer than the Chanel wallet on a chain as far as drop, which is pretty long. So here you go. It is so cute. It's just like this cute little bag. Okay, so I'll go into I'm sorry, maybe you guys can hunt for it like I did. It was just really hard to find. Okay, so here it is. It's lambskin black. It has 4 feet. It said it had little scratches. I don't see it. Really, the only wear and tear is this part that I showed you guys. Can't even see it. Right there. Okay. It opens up. You just lift it up. It has a mirror, and the sticker is actually still on it. Chanel, made in Italy. There's a bunch of space in here. Will definitely fit my iPhone. Tag, this is the Reals tag. It comes with a zipper pocket. You like it? The tape, the original blue on the seal on the tab is still there. It comes with a zipper pocket, authenticity card. So here's the model, which I didn't even have. 16S. Is that spring? Summer? I don't know. And it retails for $3,700, which I would have totally bought for $3,700, like in a heartbeat. And then it comes with a flat pocket here. I don't know what I would leave in there. It's just so tiny. But here you go. It's so cute. Doop. Here you go. Yay, you like it?